Peletizadora Kahl is one of the leading manufacturers of plants for conditioning animal feed, biomass, wood, straw, waste tires, sewage sludge, plastic scrap, as well as domestic and industrial waste. For decades, Kahl pelleting plants have been well known in the recycling industry worldwide. The development of new technologies for the disposal and recycling sector has been of utmost concern for Peletizadora Kahl for many years. The challenge to find technically intelligent practical solutions for the environmental protection turned product recycling into a main focus of the daily commitment at Peletizadora Kahl. In 2008, Peletizadora Kahl have supplied and commissioned a complete wood drying and pelleting plant for Howe Holzwertstoffe in Eberswalde, near Berlin. The plant works with a capacity of 5 tons of wood pellets per hour, extendable to 7.5 tons per hour. In this plant, sawdust, wood shavings and wood chips of softwood are processed to pellets. The material is delivered by truck with a 90 cubic meter walking floor trailer. During unloading, special attention is paid to exact separation. Oversizes are screened off before the product is fed into the plant. Via the proportioning bin, the product is fed uniformly into the dryer. Uniform feeding can be observed through an inspection glass. The neighbouring biomass power plant ensures the supply of steam to the dryer. The heat exchanger mounted on the dryer serves for heating the dryer inlet air. The filtered exhaust air leaves the belt dryer via 6 exhaust air chimneys. Both the products to be dried, due to its structure and layer level, and the extremely hard-wearing fabric belt act as filters. Measurements taken by the German Association for Technical Inspection, TÜV, had found that the dust content is below the required limit values. The use of the Kahl fabric belt dryer makes high investment costs for an expensive filtering plant unnecessary. The drying plant is separated from the pelleting plant by a silo where the dried wood chips are stored. A modern control system with multiple monitoring functions allows an effective operation requiring a reduced number of personnel. The dry product is conveyed from the dry chip silo to the mixing conditioner, where small quantities of water are added before the conditioner. Maintenance of the machines is facilitated by the simple access. From the inlet of the mixing conditioner to the conditioner. Measuring technology. The central part of the plant are 2 Kahl flat die pelleting presses type 39-1000 with a capacity of up to 2.5 tons per hour. Easy sampling makes a permanent quality control simple. Via touch panel, the presses are operated comfortably. Both presses are equally fed via a separate proportioning system. The Kahl presses are very robust and tailored to the harsh reality of wood pelleting. Mr. Klinke is works manager in the wood pelleting plant Eberswalde and states that he is very satisfied with the flat die pelleting presses of Kahl, particularly with the speed with which the dies can be changed. They can be changed twice as fast as those of other press brands, says Mr. Klinke. He is also very pleased with the service life of more than 2,000 hours. Up to 5,000 hours have been reached, depending on the raw material.
Das Wechseln einer Matrize ca. 2 Stunden ist gegenüber anderen Matrizenwechseln sehr, sehr kurz.
The counterflow cooler for cooling down the pellets to ambient temperature. The pellets are conveyed to the pellet silos. Filter after the cooler. The pellet silo with a capacity of 510 cubic meters. The pellets can be loaded in different ways, in big bags, pellet tank trucks or bulk trucks with a capacity of up to 80 tons of pellets per hour. Armandus Kahl supply wood pelleting plants with an hourly capacity between 300 kilograms and 8,000 kilograms.